Chatuchak to go with Yogi Sen, and today I'm at the Chatuchak market, but it's not exactly Chatuchak market. Today I'm gonna go to the vegetarian canteen. Yes, it's a canteen, I can say that, because they have a lot of restaurants there, which is all of the vegetarian. So let's go. And here is a canteen. And here we are. We have to buy the coupon here. And yeah, let's go to buy the coupon. This one is a bun, the vegetarian one, and the pine. I think they have like Thai stir-fry noodles here. And this one is a tofu fry. Deep fried tofu is very good. I have tried. This one is very really delicious. I will buy this one for the snack. Yay. Let's go. Oh, it's a lap. Pad Thai. It's a gui chai. The Thai snack as well, but I'm gonna go with this one. The noodle. Yeah. I'm gonna buy these snacks.
โทษนะคะเอาอันนี้อันหนึ่งเย่อ๋อแล้วก็อันนี้เท่าไหร่คะไม่ต้องค่ะ
Have a lot of drinks here, and it's over there. Here is like the pork, but it's not the pork, it's the protein tofu, something like that. And it feels like you eat the pork, but it's not. Here, this is the, I think it's the mushroom, and it's just 25 baht. I'm gonna go with this one and that tofu with the sweet sauce one over there. This place exactly is the Vegetarian Society of Thailand. It's open since 6 a.m. until 2 p.m. every day, but I'm not sure this every day or they close on Monday. I will link the information in down below. Yeah, let's eat it. But it's different one. I like this one more, but I also love this one, so I bought two. It's very nice. If you are here and you want some snacks, you should try this too. It's very nice. I will eat it. Okay, if you want to get here, you have to take a MRT to stop at the Kampang Pest Station, take exit 1 and go to the DD Mall. You will see the red building. The canteen is behind the DD Mall, so yeah, I'm gonna show you. Here, the gate is very small. Okay, and that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with the vegetarian canteen over here. And yeah, if you like this video, please help me to click thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.